Good morning, children. This is Rajeshwari teacher from Krishi School, and I am going to teach you social subject as well as science. So yesterday I have listened the science classes. Now I am going to teach you social subject. So our first lesson is the earth, our home. What is the first lesson? The earth, our home. Generally, where do you live? In your house, right? Where is your house? Is it in the sky? No, it is on the earth. So our earth is just like a ball. Our earth is just like a ball, and we are living on the earth. So our earth is called as our home. Why is earth called as our home? Because we are living on the earth. We are not living in the sky, right? We are all living on the earth, and you are living in a small house. So what do you say? This is my home, this is my house. In the same way, we are living on the earth. Our houses are built on the earth. That's why we will say that our earth is our home. So we are going to learn about the earth. So every morning, who will wake you? Who will wake up you? Your mother. But the human beings and the animals, everyone will wake up on the earth because of the sun. Who wakes you? Sun. If sun comes, if sun rises early in the morning, then we will wake up. If sun rises in the morning. When does the sun rises, children? Sun rises in the morning. Every day the sun will come or not? Every day when you wake up, if you go outside from your house, you can see sun in the sky. And the birds are flying in the air. So, when sun rises, we'll say that it is a morning. Can you see sun at the night time? No. Night we'll see only moon. Whom do we see in the night time? Moon. So when the moon comes, we will say that it is evening, night or night. So when does the moon comes? At the night time. When does the sun comes? In the morning times. So sun wakes you up and the moon will let you sleep. So in this way, day and nights are occurring. Do you have day and night? Yes. When do you come to school? In the morning hours, that is daytime. And in the night time, you'll stay at home, you'll eat, you'll do your homeworks, you'll go for the market, and you'll do lot of things at the home, and you'll take your sleep. That is night time. So in a day, in the 24 hours, we are having morning time as well as night time. This is our earth. If you divide it into two parts, sun rays are falling on the earth only one side. This is called as day. Sun rays are falling on the earth only one side, then it is night. Here the sun rays are not falling, and this is said to be night. This is said to be night. So day and night are occurring on the earth. Day and night. 12 hours day and 12 hours night are occurring on the earth. So this is the introduction of the earth. What is the earth? It is made up of water and land. So earth is made up of land and water, and it is receiving sunlight from the sun. So when the sun comes, it is said to be morning. When the moon comes, it is said to be night. And what do you see in the sky? Not only the sun, we can see the clouds, we can see the birds, and we can see the night time, we can see the stars, moon. Do you see stars? Yes, day and night we can watch the stars twinkling. Do you like the stars? Everyone likes the stars. So, sky is blue in color and stars shine very brightly. And night time, moon gives us moonlight. It is not similar to the sunlight. If they come to the school, they may be having lot of doubts and it will be clarified by the teachers. But because of these online classes, they may not raise their doubts. So if they get any doubts in their home, you can tell them in Telugu. And please listen the class carefully. Once and twice you have to listen the lesson so that it for your better understanding. So lesson number 1 is our India. Is it our India or others India? Yes, it is our India and we should be proud to say that we are Indians. So do you know what is the country name? India. And in this lockdown period, parents has to help the children to find out the general knowledge also. Not only the book knowledge, you have to know your states and capitals and how many languages are spoken in India and what is India, what is the capital of India, and about the names of the PM, CM, President and etc. So now we will come to the chapter Our India. Why do you say that it is our India? Because we are living in India, we are born and brought up in India and we are always said to be Indians. We are living in India, so we are said to be Indians. Who are you? If someone asks when you go out, who are you? We have to say that we are Indians and you feel proud. So, nature has blessed India with vast plains, beautiful islands, extensive plateaus, dense forest and desert. Everyone knows that our earth is, if the earth is divided into 4 parts, 3 parts are covered with water. 3 parts are covered with water. And only the 1 part is land. What is this? Land. This is the basic thing that you have to know. 1 part is made up of covered with land and the 3 parts are covered with water. So, what is there on the land? There are plains and beautiful islands, deserts, plateaus, hills, mountains. So on the land you can see the plains, islands, deserts, plateaus, hills, mountains. Do you watch the movies? You can see the deserts, it is covered only with sand. And you can see the camels in the desert areas. So in this way the land is, these are all called as landforms. What are these called as? Landforms. And you can see the Himalaya mountains. Even in the movies you can see the Himalaya mountains. Where is the Himalaya mountain? Is it on the sky? No, it is on the land. So all these are belongs to the land, but they are having a different texture. Plains, islands, deserts, plateaus, hills, mountains. In the world map, you will find that India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Suppose this is the earth. This is the east part, this is the west part, this is the north part, this is the south part. And you can see the India in the south part. Where can you see the India in the world map? South part. in the world map. So the world is like this. The earth is like this. This is the east part. This is the west part. This is the north part and this is the south part. So you can see the India in the southern part. You can see in the map also. You can see on the globe. When you are listening the lesson, you have to listen carefully, and after listening the lesson, you have to find out is what has teacher said. Is India located in the southern part or northern part or eastern part or in the west part? That you have to find out and you have to confirm it. It is the 7th largest country by area and the 2nd largest country by population in the world. So look, it is the 7th largest country by area. So area is the place, the space, the place that is occupied by India is the 7th largest place. And the population, that means we the people in the India are called as population, and it is said to be the 2nd largest population. So the population in India is more than all other countries and it has taken the 2nd place. India stretches for about 3,214 kilometers from north to south. Already I have told you, this is the north and this is the south part. So this is our earth, east, west, north, south. So from north to south, the area is 3,214 kilometers, and about 2,900 from east to west it is 2,933 kilometers. This is very important. It may be coming in the fill in the blanks also. The area from north to south is dash. You have to write 3,214 kilometers. The area from the east to west is dash 2,933 kilometers. India is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. Here the west part is here. So this is the India only, not the India. So here on the western side, what is present? Arabian Sea. This all you can see on the globe and on the map, in the world map. So here the Arabian Sea is present, west side, and the east side, Indian Bay of Bengal. On the east side it is Bay of Bengal. East side it is Bay of Bengal. And the Indian Ocean in the south. Indian Ocean is here, south. This is India, not the globe. This is India. Just I have made a round figure, but it is a India. You can see in the book, children. Turn the next page and you can see the India's map. So here you can see the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. And north side there are only Himalayas. You have to observe it in the textbook. So this is all now for today, and I am going to give you the homework. The classwork is you have to listen the lesson, and the homework is you have to write the keywords. Write the date, heading, lesson name with neat handwriting, and write HW. You have to write the homework HW. And the keywords are, first one, PLAINS, plains. When you are listening the lesson, you have to repeat along with me. PLAINS, plains. ISLANDS, islands. And third one, DESERTS, deserts. PLATEAUS, plateaus. Hills, hills. And sixth one is mountains, Mountains, mountains. Plains, islands, deserts, plateaus, hills, mountains. Only the 6 hard words I am going to give you today. This you have to learn the pronunciation as well as the spellings. Pronunciation: plains, islands, deserts. These are the pronunciation. And the spellings: PLAINS, plains. So like this you have to learn the spellings as well as pronunciation. This is your homework. Once again, go through the lesson. Thank you.